Hello and welcome to this tutorial on shipshape.vc. It's a free-to-use investor search engine, as far as we're aware, the only one in the world. It's designed to help founders identify which investors they should speak with. We've used it ourselves successfully, so we actually found one of our investors via running a search for data science and venture capital. He's the director of data science over at Greycroft, and we reached out to him on the basis of identifying that he was interested in data science and venture capital. And that's the way that this works. You can type in the search phrase that describes what it is that you're building, and you can see which investors are interested in that particular domain. So I'm going to go with something like open banking, for example. And having typed in open banking, what the search engine will do is it will identify which investors are relevant to that search. So I can see here, for example, Sapphire, North Zone, Anthemis. If I click on Anthemis, I can see here companies that they've invested in. So people like TrueLayer, Currency Cloud, Asimo, Moven. And I can also see that there's actually a publication here which is related to some content that Anthemis have produced. I can also see which portfolio companies have been invested in this space. So I can click on TrueLayer here, and I can see who have which of these funds have invested in TrueLayer, giving me an indication as to which funds I might want to go and approach if I'm building something in this domain, or potentially wants to avoid. We also have an experimental part of this, which is looking through at the individuals that work at these funds, where they're publishing content, and bringing that in, so that when you're reaching out, you can leverage the fact that you know that they're interested in a particular domain. And if you can reach out with highly personalized content and a highly personalized approach, we know that from our own research that you have a 7 times higher response rate, and it's much more likely to be positive if you can demonstrate why you think that that individual is relevant. Other points just to show very quickly, we can actually create shortlists, and these are exportable. So I can create, for example, a shortlist here called Open Banking. Add and create that shortlist. Just make sure I've got that selected. Yeah, there we are. Okay, and then I'm going to add Matt Harris to the shortlist, and I might add Vinoth as well, and I might add TrueLayer. And this is all just to help me build research or pieces of evidence that might help with regards to this. Now, I want to export that shortlist, and I can do that. So I just click here. I can download CSV, and having downloaded that CSV, what the search engine will do is let me open it up. Okay, and if I've got, for example, the LinkedIn, which we do for Matt Harris, I can then add that to a CRM. So if I'm reaching out to investors as part of this journey, I can add the individuals that I find through my research to that CRM, helping to populate it, helping to help me keep track of the investors that I'm speaking with. Hope that makes sense. Do reach out if you've got any suggestions, questions, etc. I'm contactable on LinkedIn. It's Daniel Safko. That's DANIEL SAWKO. Very happy to respond and give you a hand if you need it. Thank you very much.